a look here. Hello, friends. This place looks so much colorful fun. Here we go. This is an elephant. Wonderful. Let's go for the next. This is tiger. This is hippopotamus. Wow, look at this awesome. This is gorilla. Magnificent. This is crocodile. Ooh. This is kangaroo. This is bear. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Hey, watch out! Amazing looks interesting.
Hey, watch out!
Hey, what's going on? First, I will show what I have.
Let's go.
Look out!
Oh, wow! Amazing! Now it's your time.
Look over here.
Oh, wow! Let's play. This is funny.
Wow! Perfect!
Look here. Watch out! Hey, bananas! Look here. That is awesome. This is zebra. This is tiger. This is an elephant. This is lion. This is monkey. Hippopotamus. Bear. Oh, wow! This is donkey. This is cow. This is dog. This is pig. This is sheep. This is cat. This is duck. This is rooster. Let's do the next one. This is sea turtle. This is funny. Domestic animals. Wild animals. Sea animals. That is awesome. See you guys next with new exciting things. Hello, kids. Wow.
look at this place. Awesome. Amazing looks interesting. Well, that has a plan for today. Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Hello, friends! What are we going to learn today?
First, I will show what I have. We are going to learn birds with shapes. They are going to be so much fun.
Hey, come on! Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's go for first.
Let's go over there. Yes!
Roll with me.
Do you know what bird this is?
This is an eagle. Let's go for the next. Here we go. Yahoo! This is toucan.
Poo-poo.
Parrot. An owl.
Turaco.
Hummingbird.
Ooh!
Guianan cock.
Red cardinal.
That was wonderful.
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hello, kids. This is an elephant. Let's play. Today we are going to play that game again. Let's go. This is red. That is awesome. This is an orange. Magnificent. This is yellow. Perfect. This is green. Go for the next. This is blue. This is cyan. Good job. This is purple. Of course. This is pink. See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hey, what a pleasant day.
Yes, we shall learn animals today.
Whoa! Ooh!
Have a look here.
Hey, what's going on? this crane. Awesome.
Hello, friends. There are so many animals.
Wow, what a great day. We are going to learn animals.
That sounds good to me. This is cheetah.
This is bear.
This is an elephant.
This is giraffe.
This is hippopotamus.
This is lion.
This is panda.
This is rhinoceros.
This is tiger.
This is zebra.
That looks fantastic.
Want to play?
Let's go over there.
Hey, roll with me. Go!
Great job, friends.
I'm so proud of you.
This is so much fun.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Look over here. This is Tyrannosaurus Rex. Hey, today we are going to craft paper. This is camel. This is cow. This is deer. This is hippopotamus. This is porcupine. This is rhinoceros. This is squirrel. This is turtle. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Wow, I love it. That was wonderful. Thank you.
Wow, Look at this place. Awesome. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids.
Wow! Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here.
Yes, we are going to learn fruits.
Let's go over there. This is an apple.
This is an orange.
This is watermelon.
This is cherry.
This is grape.
This is banana.
This is strawberry.
This is pineapple.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends.
Yahoo! Wow, what a pleasant day.
Yeah, what a great day.
Okay, let's do this.
Amazing looks interesting. Hey, let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. That was wonderful.
See you guys next with new exciting things.